Azure Synapse ARM template is a powerful tool for deploying and managing Azure Synapse Analytics. Resources. To get started, it is essential to understand the basics of ARM templates and Azure Synapse Analytics. An ARM template is a JSON file that defines the infrastructure and configuration of your Azure. Resources. Azure Synapse Analytics is a cloud-based analytics service that integrates enterprise data, warehousing and big data analytics. The first step in working with Azure Synapse ARM templates is to plan your deployment. Identify the resources you need, such as a Synapse workspace, storage accounts, and databases. Determine the parameters and variables you will use in your template. Parameters are input values that are provided when the template is deployed, while variables are values that are defined within the template. Next, create a new ARM template using a tool such as Visual Studio Code or Azure Resource Manager. Define the resources you want to deploy, including the Synapse workspace, storage accounts, and databases. Use the parameters and variables you defined in the planning step to customize the resources. One key concept to understand when working with Azure Synapse ARM templates is the concept of nested templates. Nested templates allow you to break down a complex deployment into smaller, more manageable pieces. This makes it easier to reuse and maintain your templates. Another important concept is the use of output values. Output values allow you to return information from the template, such as the name of the Synapse workspace or the connection string to a database. This information can be used to automate further deployments or to integrate with other tools and services. To deploy an Azure Synapse ARM template, use the Azure CLI or Azure PowerShell. You can also use the Azure portal to deploy templates. The deployment process involves uploading the template to Azure and providing the required parameters. Best practices for working with Azure Synapse ARM templates include using a modular design, testing and validating your templates, and using source control to manage different versions of your templates. It is also essential to follow security best practices, such as using secure storage for sensitive information and limiting access to your templates and resources. In conclusion, Azure Synapse ARM templates provide a powerful way to deploy and manage Azure Synapse Analytics resources. By following these tips and best practices, you can create efficient and effective templates that meet your needs and help you achieve your goals. Remember to plan carefully, use nested templates and output values, and follow security best practices to get the most out of your Azure Synapse ARM templates.